Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. I'm here at LAX this morning waiting for the transfer to take me out to the Discovery Princess. I am so excited. Today is October 22nd, and I wanted to let you all know that there is an update to the Medallion class app. I updated my app yesterday, and there are a few changes that came with it. For example, the Ocean Play for the Lake Casino, that is gone, and I have not had time to look at everything, but I wanted to let you know that when I got up this morning, I looked at my app and it still showed that I was green laned. And then one of our Let's Go family members just said, if you do that update, you might be blue laned. So I opened my app again just now, and sure enough, I was blue laned. So let me tell you what you need to do. And thank you, Linda, for sending me a text and letting me know. So first of all, you go ahead and open your app, and it might show green for just a minute, but it's likely that then it will show blue. So you scroll down a little bit under personal info, you just scroll down a little bit under the travel where you enter all of your information, and under payment method, like mine had the exclamation point for it, whereas everything else was green. You click on that, it opens it up, and then you click on the little pencil, which opens the edit thing, and then the box to be who could use that credit card was not checked. So you just put a check by the people using that credit card, save it, and this problem is solved. And so I just wanted to let you know that whether you're trying to get on a cruise this morning or if you've got one coming up, make sure that that is done, because it will really help you know what that's just the problem, and it's why it's throwing you in the blue lane when you were green laned. So if you have any questions about that, please put it down below and I will answer for you. I am really excited to get on this cruise today. It is cruise day. I should have said that first, but I'm really excited to take you all along with me. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you appreciate this video, would you please give it a thumbs up? I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.